loves, welcome back to Love and Lust Lessons, where we dive deep into the heart of connection, passion, and lasting intimacy. In today's episode, we're answering a powerful question so many couples face. How do you keep trust, attraction, and love alive, even after years together? Let's be real, every couple starts off hot and heavy, but what about 5, 10, or even 20 years later? What happens when life, bills, kids, and routines take over? Is it possible to still crave each other the way you did in the beginning? The answer is yes. And today, I'm going to show you how. Let's break down the secrets that not only revive, but deepen love, desire, and trust in long-term relationships. 1. Rediscover emotional safety. At the heart of every thriving relationship is emotional safety. That feeling of being seen, heard, and loved without judgment. Over time, couples stop sharing. They assume their partner already knows them, or worse, they fear being vulnerable again. But true love grows when you risk emotional honesty. If you want to rebuild trust, start with conversations that go beyond surface level. Ask, what's something you've been holding in? How can I support you better this week? What do you wish I understood more about you? These questions unlock a deeper bond. Because when someone feels emotionally safe with you, they open up. And when they open up, trust begins to bloom again. Pro tip, never dismiss their feelings. Even if you disagree, validate first. Trust dies when someone feels unheard. 2. Reignite physical intimacy, not just sex. Attraction doesn't fade with time. Neglect does. One of the biggest myths is that passion dies after a few years. But what really happens is that couples stop intentionally feeding it. So here's the truth. You can still make each other melt, but you have to turn down the autopilot. Start with small, meaningful touches. A hand on the lower back, a kiss on the shoulder, slow dancing in the kitchen. Bring back flirtation. Compliment them like you're still dating. Surprise them with a whisper, a glance, or a slow kiss for no reason at all. Pro tip, eye contact and touch release oxytocin, the love hormone. Use it. Don't wait for a moment. Create the moment. 3. Communicate like lovers, not roommates. Years together can dull the way we talk to each other. You start sounding more like coworkers or task managers than passionate lovers. The fix? Shift back to loving, intentional communication. Instead of saying, pick up the groceries, try, can you help me out with this? I really appreciate it when you do. Instead of, you never listen, try, I miss the way we used to talk. Can we sit down tonight and really connect? Gentle tone, respectful delivery, loving energy. Words carry emotional weight. And when you speak with warmth and patience, your partner becomes more open and trusting. Pro tip, daily check-ins. Even just 10 minutes can strengthen communication more than any date night ever could. 4. Keep dating each other, even after 10 years. One of the biggest killers of long-term attraction is routine. Same dinner, same couch, same bedtime scroll. But the couples who stay in love, they date forever. They surprise each other. They plan little adventures. They flirt. They play. They explore new things together. This doesn't mean spending big bucks. It means showing effort. A candlelit dinner at home. A spontaneous picnic. A shared hobby. A weekend away, even if it's just one town over. Pro tip, schedule us time and treat it like a non-negotiable appointment. Because love is kept alive with attention, not time. 5. Repair fast. Don't let resentment grow. No matter how in love you are, conflict is inevitable. But the key is what you do after the fight. Most couples either blow up or shut down. But emotionally intelligent partners, they repair quickly. Instead of the silent treatment, they ask, can we talk about what just happened? I didn't mean to hurt you. Let's figure this out together. They own their part. They seek to understand. They forgive freely because resentment is a silent killer. Pro tip, don't wait for them to apologize first. Extend the olive branch. You can be right or you can be happy. 6. Keep evolving together. People change, dreams shift, bodies age, priorities evolve, but love lasts when couples choose to grow in the same direction. That means supporting each other's dreams, being excited for their evolution, celebrating wins, and holding each other in losses. Ask, what's something new you want to try this year? What's one dream we haven't chased yet? Together? When you keep growing as a couple, love doesn't get old, it gets deeper. Pro tip, try learning something new together, like a class, language, or skill. Shared novelty boosts dopamine, the same hormone responsible for falling in love. 7. Choose love daily, even when it's not easy. Here's the ultimate truth. Love is not a feeling. It's a choice. It's waking up and saying, I choose to be patient today. I choose to show up even when I'm tired. I choose to be your soft place, your safe place, your home. That choice, when repeated over time, is what keeps passion alive, trust growing, and love unshakable. Real love isn't found. It's built brick by brick, habit by habit, day after day. Pro tip, create rituals. A kiss every morning, a compliment every night. Rituals build emotional glue. So if you've been together for years, or even decades, and you're wondering if you can feel those butterflies again, the answer is yes. Trust can be rebuilt, attraction can be reignited, and love, deep, passionate, unbreakable love, can thrive. But it takes effort, intention, and a willingness to fall in love with the same person over and over again. So go hug your partner today. Tell them one thing you admire. Do one thing that brings you closer. And watch the magic return. Because forever love starts today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a lesson in love, lust, and lasting connection. And tell us in the comments, what's one habit you want to bring back into your relationship? Until next time, keep loving deeply, touching slowly, and choosing each other again and again. This is Love and Lust Lessons signing off.